Hi, it's Leah from the Relax Guy Beauty channel, and today is wash day. Let me tell you, my hair could probably use it. I am 2 weeks now from my last relaxer touch-up, and my last wash day was actually on a cruise ship. So I didn't have my full hair regimen that I was able to go through just because I was on a cruise ship. And so I did wash my hair. I did deep condition. I was able to moisturize and seal throughout the week, but I think my hair could use a little bit of TLC, particularly my ends, which have been a problem for a while. But let me tell you straight up, this is not just a wash day video. This is actually me giving my first impressions of a product that you've probably heard about and that I'm actually trying for the first time. And it is the Olaplex Hair Perfector, Olaplex number 3. You can barely even see it because of the light. But this is what it is. I'm trying it out for the very first time. I bought it at Sephora right before I went on my trip, so I didn't get a chance to use it. So the reason I'm trying this is because I've seen and read some really good reviews on this from other relaxed haired ladies, and I decided to try it. I mean, it's supposed to help repair and strengthen your hair. My hair could really use some of that, even though it's really in a much better state than it has been. I'm still trying to get my hair back to where it was even just a couple of years ago, where my hair was just like, I was just at my happiest with my hair. And so I'm trying to get my hair back to that. So maybe this might help. We'll see. Okay, so what is Olaplex? So Olaplex is this whole line of products. I think it's like 7 total or 6 total different products within the line. I can't remember, but you can go to olaplex.com and see all of them. It seems to have started as more of a hair care line that stylists were using, but now they're offering products for consumers to be able to buy. I bought mine at Sephora. And Olaplex really is supposed to be a bond repairing system where it rebuilds, I wrote this down, it rebuilds broken hair bonds from within to repair, protect, and strengthen the hair. Now, when we relax our hair, we are breaking down the bonds within our hair to help straighten it. So it kind of makes sense that you would want to use something that kind of helps repair the bonds and puts them back together. So that's probably why you will see there are even some stylists who will use Olaplex 3 on their client's hair after they've relaxed it. Either they'll mix it into the relaxer I've seen, or they'll use it afterwards. So when it comes to Olaplex 3, this is actually a treatment. They tell you straight up that you're supposed to use it before you shampoo, and it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder, so it's a treatment. And it's supposed to reduce breakage and strengthen the hair, just like plenty, it seems like, of the other Olaplex products do. But the directions are to use once per week for damaged hair, use 2 to 3 times per week. I'm using once a week right now. I'm supposed to apply on damp, towel-dried hair that has not been shampooed before. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo and condition as usual. And so that's how you're supposed to use it. And like I said, I've seen reviews where there were some great results. So I'm kind of curious to see how my hair reacts to it and what kind of results I get. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip my regular pre-poo. I usually pre-poo before I wash my hair, but I don't want all those extra products and ingredients on my hair that might interact with the Olaplex. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to rinse my hair, get it all nice and wet, and then come back here, and then we can apply the Olaplex. Now, while I'm actually rinsing my hair and getting it all nice and wet, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel? It's really easy. You hit the red subscribe button and then you're a subscriber. So go ahead and you can do that, and I will be back in a few. Okay, so my hair is nice and damp. I went and just wet my hair over the side of the tub. I was like, we're not getting in the shower and then getting redressed and everything. There's too much work. So I'm trying to get the extra water out because it's supposed to be towel dried. It's supposed to be damp, not soaking wet. So let's do that. Okay, I think we're good. I'm going to do this in like 2 sections rather I've got my left and my right, so I'm going to put one side up for now. And we'll apply it to the other side. Okay. So it says apply a generous amount, which, you know, I feel like a lot of times they tell you to apply a generous amount because it just means you use more and you buy more from them. I feel like it's all a ruse. Okay. I don't know why I'm shaking it. There is a little tabby here. Let's take this off. Ooh, it's coming out. It's all coming out here. Okay. Getting a tabby off. It's hard. This costs so much. I don't really want to waste any of it. So this treatment retails for $28 at Sephora, which is a lot for like essentially a 3-ounce bottle. This is a bit more than I would normally pay for a hair product, but I wanted to try it. And like I said, I heard such good things about it and how well it worked for people, for other relaxed hair ladies. And I was like, this seems like something that could really help my hair. And I was like, if it'll help my hair get back to its normal state and I have to use it a few times and then I'm good to go, then I will do it. But when I did buy it at Sephora, I didn't pay the full $28 just because they were having a sale, or they were giving percentages off for the insiders, and I got 10% off of it. So, I mean, I paid probably with tax, I think it was $28 maybe, but I didn't pay the full price for it. I want to pay close attention to my ends. So I'm just kind of working it through in sections with my fingers. And it's like, I don't feel like I need to use a whole lot. Like I feel like I'm using generous amounts, but I don't feel like I'm using a whole lot. I think I've seen some people with hair probably about my length have been able to get 3 to 4 uses out of one bottle, which isn't that bad when you really think about it. I think I probably put more on that other side than I needed to. But I'm hoping this does help strengthen my hair, and I see smoother results with my hair than I have been lately. My hair has been not in a great state. Alright, let's do it on the other side. I feel like I'm putting more on here than I need to. So we'll leave it at this. Alright, it's been worked through my hair. So we're going to put this up in a clip. And then it doesn't say like you need heat or any of that kind of thing. And even in the other reviews that I've seen, no one used any heat on their hair. They just let it sit. Some let it sit for like 10 minutes. Some let it sit for, I don't know, 2 hours. I'm just kind of going to go with the flow. I'm probably maybe going to do 20 to 30 minutes is what I'm going to do. Just because it's my first time and I don't want to go overboard. But we shall see. I will let you know how long I end up leaving it on. And then I will come back at the end of my wash day and let you see the results and how my hair looks and feels. All right, I'm back. I have finished washing my hair, deep conditioning. My hair is pretty much probably like 90% dry. And I figured, let me come back on here while I still have some good light and feel like it and give you my thoughts on Olaplex. Let me just say and back up a little bit. So I applied the Olaplex. I left it on for about 45 minutes. I was planning to leave it on for 30. Got a little distracted and left it on for 45. Rinsed it out, used a moisturizing shampoo that I was trying to finish using up, and then shampooed my hair, rinsed that out. My hair felt good before I shampooed and after I shampooed. Then I went and then I used the Aussie 3-Minute Moist Deep Conditioner to add a burst of condition to my hair. And then I deep conditioned with the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream for about an hour. And then rinsed that out. And then applied a hair serum, applied a moisturizer, a light leave-in conditioner, both that help with protect your hair from heat. And then I started blow drying my hair. Pretty much got my hair mostly all the way blow dry. And then I applied the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner on my hair. And that's where we are right now. So I need to finish drying my hair. But so far, my hair is so much smoother than I normally can get it, have been able to get it on my own since I had my whole protein overload issue. So I feel like the Olaplex probably helped with that a bit because I haven't changed any of the hair products that I use. I did change up a little bit in terms of how I applied the leave-ins and the serum and everything, like the order of it afterwards, which may have contributed to this, but I feel like the Olaplex really did help. So I'm looking forward to using Olaplex again. So far, my experience has been good. I'd love to use it my next wash day, but my next wash day is going to be Thanksgiving weekend, and that's going to be really busy. So I probably won't be using it then. I'll probably have to use it the wash day after that. But, you know, I'm looking forward to using it again and seeing how it helps to improve my hair over time. I will say if you want to know more about my experience with Olaplex, then please go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at @arelaxedgal. I will be sharing more about that there. But so far, so good. My first experience with Olaplex. Okay, so that's all for my wash day. If you want to see how my hair looks when it's finally dried, I will also be sharing that on Instagram. If you've used any of the Olaplex products, particularly number 3, go ahead and share that in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your experience has been. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.